Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this cute card wallet. It's quite roomy and can hold bank cards, lipstick, keys and other small items. The two bags shown in the video are made using the same pattern. The only difference is the decoration. For the blue bow wallet, I used the two-color straight technique. You can find that tutorial on my channel. Let's get started. Crochet the base. We will begin with the foundation chain made using the chainless foundation method. Leave a slightly longer yarn than at the beginning. Hold the yarn over the hook with your left hand. Yarn over and pull through to make the first chain. Beginners can place a stitch marker in this first stitch. Continue until you have 20 foundation stitches. Place a stitch marker in the 20th stitch. Chain 1. Insert your hook back into the 20th stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through both loops. This is your first single crochet. A stitch marker in this stitch. Continue working one single crochet into each matching stitch until you reach the stitch before the marker. You should have 19 single crochets. In the marked stitch, work 3 single crochets. Then continue along the other side, working 18 single crochets until you reach the marked stitch. Remove the stitch marker and work 2 single crochets into the last stitch. The base is now complete with 42 stitches in total. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch and pull the yarn through to tighten. Chain 1. For this round, work into the back loop only, which is the loop furthest away from you. Worked 42 single crochets around. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch and continue working 1 single crochet into each stitch. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. 1 single crochet in the back loop only of the first stitch. In the second stitch, make a spike single crochet by inserting your hook into the stitch directly below, pulling up a loop and completing a single crochet. This creates the pattern: 1 back loop in single crochet, 1 spike single crochet. Repeat this pattern around. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and begin row 4. Alternate the pattern with the previous round. While the previous round has the back loop single crochet, work a spike single crochet. While the previous round has a spike single crochet, work a back loop single crochet. Continue repeating rows 3 and 4 until the bag reaches your desired height. For reference, the blue card holder has 14 rounds. The yellow card holder has 15 rounds. Feel free to adjust the height as you like. When finished, slip stitch, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the inside and weave it in. Crochet the flap. Choose any color combination you like. Find the center of the bag opening and place 2 stitch markers. The stitch between the markers should total 15 stitches. Join your yarn. Pull up a loop and chain 1. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch across until you reach the second marker. You should have 15 single crochets. Chain 1 and 10. Work 15 single crochets across. Repeat this for a total of 10 rows. You can make the flap longer or shorter if you prefer. When finished, trim one and fasten off. Crochet the edging. Join your yarn at a corner of the flap. Pull up a loop and chain 2. Yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop and keep it the same height as the loops already on your hook. Repeat until you have 3 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook at once. Skip 1 stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2. In the same stitch, make 3 unfinished half double crochets and pull through all loops together. Repeat this pattern all the way around the flap. When you reach the end, slip stitch, fasten off and weave in the ends.